all the activity and restrictions and prohibitions. So in this case, we identified R1, R2, R3, R5. So this I have earlier, this I have earlier, this I have earlier, this I have earlier, entity, and these two I don't have. So let me open. Because this is the same scenario. I will put here new risk assessment, because this is the same as we discussed in the package 2. Now we are going to evaluate two more restrictions. One is NDT. NDT, I think I have here NDT. No. So NDT, this will not go. This will go. Yes. Okay, so I have a standard format. I have entity here, so let me search entity, visibility, port drop object, availability, radiation source. Yeah, I have a radiation source, so I will copy it here. I will copy and paste here. So this is restriction number R5. R5. R5, we are saying that ensure safe distance, all concerned normal operation, plant inspection, testing, ESD, and production. Maintenance activity involving the work, how to work, flaring is not there. All UT inspections. This will go, normal maintenance will be there, without hot work, pigging operation is not there. Work near the live equipment, and this we can keep it. So radiation source, as per calculation, as per. So potential impact of people, injuries, no fatality. We are taking one fatality because of radiation source, radiation. 4C, we have WS system, a company HSC management,